हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।
Hello everyone. One more piece of news has just arrived which is actually very terrifying because Amadou Campos Silva has passed away after a terrible wreck. The celebrity has died at the Velocity Tour event in Rishano. After the wreck, he was immediately transferred to Community Regional Medical Center, but he passed away after he was taken to the medical center. The event happened in PBR and the rider Amadou Campos Silva has lost his life in the accident. The news has been officially announced by the CEO of PBR, Sean Gleason. He took to Twitter to announced the terrifying news to all the fans who know him. If we talk about his statement, he said, earlier today, young Brazilian bull rider Amadou Campos Silva was involved in a terrible wreck at the Velocity Tour event in Rishano. He was transported to Community Regional Medical Center in Rishano, CA, where he passed away. Our heart breaks for Amadou's family and friends, as everyone knows that bull riding is a fun pastime, but it is a very dangerous sport in which the riders have many chances to lose the life, even taking all the precautions and safety to keep themselves and others safe. Many accidents encounter while bull riding in which many people lost their lives in some past records. Let us tell you some more details of the personality. So, Campos Silva was a very great bull rider who doing very well in Brazil before coming to America. He was just 22 years old and very famous for bull riding skills and talent. Talking about his last contest in Brazil back in 2019, he finished runner-up and the Brazilian finals. Now he made his US debut on the Velocity Tour. Because of his extreme talent and amazing skills, he established himself as one of the world's top riders. In his PBR career, Silva had 26 rides and he already earned $42,000 in his career. If we talk about the points during his career, he earned a total of 104.66 points. Now many people mourning his death because he has gone too early. Before taking his last sleep, he also accomplished his ultimate goal by riding in the PBR World Finals in 2020. But no one thinks this year he left everyone while riding on a bull. We can say that from where he started making his empire, he got buried there. Our deepest condolence to his family and loved ones who continuously remembering him and can't keep their eyes from his picture. For more updates, keep visiting our channel and do subscribe. Thank you.